And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us these scar sheets. And so essentially these are 6 reusable sheets to help with the healing of a scar on your body. Now, just gonna show you what they look like and unbox them. You can see silicone scar sheets 6-pack sticker there. And this is essentially what these look like. Nothing else in there. And so you get 6 of these. And as you can see, they're kind of sealed up like a Band-Aid, and you're able to literally just open this up like so. Take your scar sheet, peel off this little backing, very unique stamp that it's got there. And then you just apply this to wherever your scar is. So, you know, if I had a scar here on my arm, I'd put it right there and then let it do its thing. So that'll essentially do it for this. Wow, that came off pretty easy. These 6-pack of scar sheets. Thanks again to the company right here who was nice enough to send these to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.